Hello guys, welcome to today's webinar. Welcome to SOFTPIPS Trading Academy. Today we'll be looking at first the forest factory. Forest factory is like where you get news about the market, to know your trading days that you, what is it called, you look for your opportunity to trade, and also days that you get high impact news and days that you see volatility in the market, so you avoid staying for long on the market. So I think Monday we don't have anything serious on Monday. If you see your setup, fine. Tuesday we don't really have, we'll have something on card. So probably what I'll do is to wait for Monday to give me a view of what the market will look like for the week. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, I start looking out for my setup. The week is neat, not much news. Okay, Thursday we also have news. So for the week, I'm just neutral on all the trades. Anytime I get my, and you know this is August, so things are kind of scattered. Price action is really not that smooth, so you just have to be flexible. So first, after checking this, and I think we don't have any serious news like that. So okay, Thursday 1:30 we'll have this. So this might be the drivers of price. That's those time you get price do very crazy drops, or to the upside, to the downside there, so that if you catch those moves, you're done for the week. So after that, we'll go to our trading view. So on my trading view, first you go for DXY. You want to see what DXY is doing. Let me check this. Okay, you want to see what DXY is doing. I'm looking for a more clear okay, let me clear this, remove joins. So first go to your 1 week. So what we'll have on the 1 week, we had this fair value gap down support. Fair value gap broken down support for inverted fair value gap. You know, this is like a fair value gap that was violated. It was violated around here. It was violated by this. So you see, the next week we had price trade into it and we dropped. Just that's how simple. Though I'll still do a video on this inverted fair value gap for you guys as well. So on this, you could see clearly that we're on a downtrend. We're still on a downtrend. Price should be heading to this. It should be the draw on liquidity. So you just look for a way to join again from here, and then draw from here, and then probably we can still clear off this. No, unless we didn't trade onto this place for the month. So no, let's look at what did they have for us. Daily price action, nothing much on the daily. We had still that same weekly fair value gap that down support had its mitigation around here. See, so this the mitigation. There is the, so But take a closer look at this. We have this daily fair value gap that is about to be violated. So I want to see my price come around this region, come like this, then we'll drop down. So let me check that area on 4 hours. So when you look very closely, when you look very closely, you will see that we have two fair value gap here. We have two fair value gap. So I'm open for anyone that I see price trading to now. For the month of August, especially for the month of August, you see that thing you learned about what is it called? Discount and premium is good, but keep it aside. That thing you learned about discount and premium, keep it aside, because price don't really give you that healthy retracement for the month of August. Price just face a particular direction and off it goes. Sometimes they give 0.88% retracement and it drops again or goes up again depending on the move you have. So be flexible and put these two fair value gap in consideration. Do you understand? Put them in consideration so that if it trade into it in a time and price, that means price trading to it either in a New York section or a London section, take it. You understand? Take it, and once it gives you your lower time frame confirmation, you take it and you move. So these are the two places I'll be looking for a trade setup, because when you look closely here, you see we'll have a breaker block here. That's another block that was violated. This another block that was violated on support. When you look closely here again, you see that we have a fair value gap that was violated. This is a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap, and it was violated by this. This is a fair value gap. Do you understand? Just taking my time gradual. I'm not rushing the webinar. Just taking my time gradually. See, this was violated by this. So but when you say you want to do your discount and premium, you see that you'll be looking at this, which is very valid. You're looking at this, which is very valid. So but most times price don't go for that, especially in this August. Price don't go for that. So anywhere I see my lower time frame confirmation, I go in. Let me check what the 1 hour is showing. Fine. Let's just be flexible. And take what we see, and then the first target should be this, and then you have second target here. So use your DXY to frame your setup for your XSS USD. I trade mostly XSS USD. You understand? So let's look at I saw something on JPB USD. On the 1 week. You can see the price delivery we have here. What price trading to our fair value gap, and then we'll have the displacement. Created another fair value gap, what price trading to it, and we'll have the displacement. Now we'll have price break structure, because I consider this as a break of structure, not a week off, because if it is a week off, it's supposed to be something looking like this. So what is a full candle closing on top. So the ultimate drawn liquidity is this. First, you consider this this place for your take profit first before this, because ideally price didn't get to this place. If you want to check this, let me see, you use a line chart. You see, listen, I'm telling you. See, price didn't really get to this place, so use this first before the second place for your take profit. So this should be the overall take what is it called, drawn liquidity. Then look closely again. What we'll have here, we'll have this, and we have this. And then we'll have this high. You can see it's called institutional order flow entry drill. So you check, you can skip down to 4 hours. Let's check 4 hours, what we'll have on 4 hours. So for last week price action, you see we traded back to on the 1 hour. That it was very clear on the 1 hour where we took our buy. Yeah, we took our buy from this fair value gap. Took our buy from the fair value gap here. So you see those two places I marked on the weekly. You see this. You see this. So I think this should be lying on 0.38 as well. You see, it should be lying on 0.38. So but let's look for what the week will unveil. But the best thing is to use your DXY to filter the noise. Don't do anything until DXY price have traded into where you want. Take your trade on DXY, and then you check where you have your trade on XSXUSD, and then you react. So you see, now for this week we'll have the week, we'll have two possible places to take your trade. You understand? Might take your trade from here. So you might have price do something like this. Sorry, might have price do like this, and then go up. Another scenario, might have price do this, and then go up. You get, then your drawn liquidity for your take profit is that high I showed you guys. Don't be surprised to see price trade up to 1.40 on the long term. So you see, this should be your first take profit, then you can consider this. But for me, if I get this, I don't really mind to walk away from this. This should be like 100 pips or 50 pips from it, from here, because 50 pips, 49 pips. So getting 49 pips, leaving 49 pips in the market extra from a trade you took 200 and something pips from, it's not bad. You understand? If your entry is from this place, over 230 something pips, so I'm good for the week. So same thing goes for Euro USD. Euro USD, let me use this MIs. One week, I think also on this Euro USD we had, yes, we had this, we had let me clear up this. We had inverted fair value gap as well that was violated. It's not clear on this broker. It's not clear on this broker at all. It's not clear on this broker. But whatever be the case, okay, let me check. Just that this my chart to be very dirty. I see that thing I'm telling you. Here we have that inverted fair value gap I wanted to show you. See, it was violated. So here turn support that we took our buy from. We took this small buy from here after it was violated. Just a quick move before we had I think there's this news we had the next day. Just 40 something pip and we had out. I think 5 pip SL, yeah. So for this week, same thing, same. Wait for your DXY to give you a direction for what you want to do, and then you pick your trade. That was all. Wishing you all guys a profitable week. Please still do me a favor, like, share, follow my YouTube channel so that we'll get the subscriber we need to be able to go live for you guys daily, or at least 3 times in a week, so that after my top down analysis, if there are things I see that will make me change my view about the market, I can always come to the YouTube live and show you guys, and then from there we'll make more money.